Join me as I dive into the world of crypto trading and see if I can turn a small investment in Ripple XRP into something big. In this video, you'll learn about Ripple XRP, its unique features, and how it stands out in the world of crypto trading. Traditional banking systems have always struggled with processing international payments. They're slow, costly, and often unreliable. For instance, let's say you want to send money from the United States to Japan. Your bank will typically use the SWIFT network, which can take anywhere from a few hours to several days to process the transaction. And to make matters worse, you'll likely be charged a hefty fee for the service. But what if I told you there's a better way? Cryptocurrencies like Ripple XRP can facilitate cross-border payments in a fraction of the time and at a significantly lower cost. The current system is also plagued by liquidity issues. Banks need to maintain liquidity in multiple currencies, which can be a huge burden. Ripple XRP, on the other hand, eliminates the need for intermediaries and allows for instant settling of payments. But what really sets Ripple XRP apart is its scalability. The network can handle up to 1,500 transactions per second, making it much faster than other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. This scalability, combined with its low transaction costs, makes Ripple XRP an attractive option for traders and financial institutions alike. The potential for Ripple XRP to disrupt the traditional banking system is vast. With its fast and cost-effective way of processing international payments, it's no wonder that many banks and financial institutions are already partnering with Ripple to use its technology. Ripple XRP is built on a distributed open-source internet protocol, and it uses a unique consensus algorithm called the Ripple Protocol Consensus Algorithm. This algorithm allows the network to validate transactions and agree on the state of the ledger in real time, making it incredibly fast and secure. Plus, the transaction costs are a fraction of a cent, making it a very cost-effective option for traders. One of the most significant advantages of Ripple XRP is its speed. The average transaction time is just 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest cryptocurrencies out there. This speed, combined with its low transaction costs, makes it an attractive option for traders who need to make quick trades. The blockchain technology behind Ripple XRP is also highly scalable, which means that it can handle a large volume of transactions without slowing down. This is in contrast to other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which can slow down significantly when the network is congested. In 2017, Ripple XRP saw a massive surge in value, going from just a few cents to over $3 per coin. This was largely due to the announcement of several high-profile partnerships with financial institutions like American Express and Santander. These partnerships not only legitimized Ripple XRP as a viable alternative to traditional payment systems, but also paved the way for its widespread adoption. In 2018, Ripple XRP also partnered with several major banks to launch a cross-border payment service called xRapid. This service uses Ripple XRP to source liquidity for cross-border payments, resulting in faster and cheaper transactions. Ripple XRP has also been gaining traction in the Asia-Pacific region, with several banks and financial institutions in Japan and South Korea adopting its technology. This has further solidified Ripple XRP's position as a leader in the world of crypto trading. To recap, in this video we explored the world of crypto trading with Ripple XRP. We discussed the challenges faced by traditional banking systems, the unique features of Ripple XRP, and its potential to disrupt the financial landscape. Thanks for watching. And if you have any thoughts on Ripple XRP or crypto trading in general, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency trading strategies, be sure to check out my other videos.